it's Mendi and we are doing the dance practice, so ignore the voice. So these are my nails and eyebrows abhi tak कराए नहीं है. Tomorrow we'll do it before leaving. I put this bindi which matches and see, I'll just show you the dance practice. I already taught them, now they are doing it by themselves. Hi guys, so this is the Mendi. I couldn't really vlog in Mendi, as you know my hands were covered with Mendi. So this is how my Mendi is. A little back side. Same with the other hand, nails which I showed you. I'm going to keep these nails till Haldi because it can get kharab, so I don't want it to get kharab. The original ones which I'm going to wear for the shadi. So I'm not letting it kharab. And this is the eyebrows, how it looks. Let me remove my chashme. And so those are the eyebrows. And yeah. So right now we are leaving and I'm wearing just a basic black top. And it has a hood behind and these earring, these necklace with hearts which my sister gifted, and some plain normal earrings and some black pants. And pair mein I'll be wearing slippers right now, but I'm just gonna take shoes. So yeah, bye. So guys, that's the fatak. English is okay. The bridge, like
bridge railway line. Yeah.
So we're standing at the railway line for the crossing. That's the train. Like, so the train's coming and then we're just standing,
Waiting for the train to pass by.
yeah. But you can't see train dur tak.
मेरा डोला नहीं आया डोला मेरा डोला नहीं आया डोला
नीता का ढोला नहीं आया. तेरा शोला आया. तेरा शोला आया. ढोला भी नहीं चला मैंने. मम्मी से हाय. मम्मी से हाय. मम्मी तो नील पेंट निकली गई चाकी.
चुप माही चुप है राजा बोले क्या.
हेलो अंकल. हेलो अंकल. So guys, we are living at the Tanya Sea Rock Hotel. Rock ka od gaya hai. But this beautiful decoration is done for Aditi ki shaadi. So beautiful. And there's the pool. And the bacha party is there. You Adi?
You bro.
Love it. Trolley che, love. Guys, I'll show you a camera focus. A quick room tour. So this is our room. We enter. And to the left is a bathroom, a nice commode and the washroom with the curtains, and a mirror with the basin and some toiletries. And here's a full-length mirror, the luggage area, a closet, one nightstand, a huge queen-size bed, one more nightstand, a table and a chair, and one more chair and a TV, and this AC, and this is the office chair, like you can sit and work, a dustbin. Hello. And some normal stuff. Hey bro. Oh, and the curtain, so let's see the view. We have a nice pool view. We have a pool view. So there's the pool.
That's so pretty.
And that's a cars. Stop. And that's a chota baby pool. But we're not gonna go in the pool, obviously, bro. Right, bro? You don't even have the costume. Show your OOTD. Okay, bye. So guys, it is 9:27 exactly right now. And now we're gonna go to eat some dinner. Excuse this is Mendi ka dag rahe. I didn't do it, but it happened गलती से. Excuse that. मेरे nails एक निकल गया था, वो मैंने वापस लगा लिया. और नीता है ना, she was just like nudish brown color के nails, but she put it only one hand. You couldn't see the color. That is the color. It is like completely mehndi wala color. I'm just showing you my outfit for today, and then we'll go. You couldn't see my face, but yeah. This is what I'm gonna wear, like a nice tie-dye crop top with the tie-dye shorts. So that's my outfit. Mostly I'm gonna change the shorts because I'll be feeling cold, and it's like 18 degrees right now. From Mumbai till here we came. Mumbai it was 28 degrees. Now it's 18 degrees, so it's a vast change. And the AC is on 28 only right now. So I just changed the bottom right now only. So I'll be wearing this. Uske niche, okay? Bye. So guys, I'm changed into it, and then I'm wearing the normal slippers. Now we're going down, and there'll be DJ going on niche. After there's DJ, and then we'll do Sangeet ka practice. Okay, bye. So guys, it's the DJ time, and they are doing party in the DJ. I just came out to change because मैंने बहुत सारा खा लिया. Because I'm a big foodie and I love eating food. मैंने बहुत सारा खा लिया इसलिए. Now there's no chance of wearing a crop top. मैंने बहुत खा लिया. Simple reason. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to say that it was uncomfortable and all that shit. Because it was comfortable and I ate a lot. So that's the main reason. So this was the crop top which I was wearing, like a nice crop top. Saisha loved it. Saisha is my niece. I guess niece. I don't know what it's called. Nor in Gujarati nor in English. It's I forgot its name. So she's my niece. She calls me Masi. So yeah. So let's change and let's do the hair also. Thoda 3, 2, 1. And I'm ready. So this is the hair what I did. I just opened it and combed it through, and I've put the hairband which is putting the same thing. So let's take the keys and let's go. And the hotel is really nice. I would suggest you can come over here and live, but एक problem है, ये वो थोड़ा deep में है. So the main thing is, and they've done so beautiful decoration. So we have booked the whole hotel now. So the पूरा hotel का वो lighting मैंने जो दिखाया वो किया था. And there's beautiful decorations. Like these are the flowers which the food. It's amazingpop.com. और एक मेरा नाखून वापस निकल गया खाते खाते. Something I did and it popped off. भाई नाखून निकलते जा रहा है. I guess I didn't file it अच्छे से or something. Ooh, the light. Woof. So मैं कितना बोलती हूँ ना. I only know how much I speak, so I speak a lot. So this is like the normal top which I was wearing because it's very comfortable to dance and so like. And the Jugnu song was doing. I'm like literally it's on repeat. The Bachas Jugnu. Just Jugnu. So mostly I'll be playing and other music while I record it because I don't want to get copyrighted. Excuse me, बच्चे. चमक चल रहा है अभी. So I just showed you all one glimpse. Or me and Netra have a separate room now this time. So I'm just putting the keys in the reception. Uncle चाबी मैं वापस लेके जाऊँगी खत्म होगा तो. Thank you. So we don't want the jhanjat of having the keys to ourselves. Wait a minute. So we don't want the jhanjat to keep the keys with us. So I just give it to the receptionist. You can do the same. And आवाज़ आ रही है बहुत. So bye. guys, I'm seeing the time right now. It is 12:50. Babs! So, नियति और उर्वी ने हमने पूरा एक डांस कर लिया.
यस, अच्छा हुआ.
और वो डांस सरप्राइज है.
ओके, मैंने नहीं
आपको तो पता है मतलब सॉन्ग क्या है.
हाँ, वो पता है.
देसी गर्ल सॉन्ग है.
यस.
डांस सरप्राइज है. सब बाद में देखना. Guys, it's 1:30 and Netra's asleep. That's how I'm gonna speak like थोड़ा silently. I've just put one light on and मैंने अभी मम्मी के हाथ में नेल पेंट कर दी. मेरी नेल्स उखड़ गए हैं तो मैं ऐसे ही रहने दूँगी. And tomorrow when there's one press song called Starting From M. I don't remember the name. वो जब होगा that time I'll go change my nails. और उसके पहले या फिर उसके बाद I guess mostly हल्दी के बाद I'll change it before the dandiya. I just wanted to tell you that मैं phone charging में रख के मीनू कर जाऊँगी. means I'll go to sleep. And this Netra, she's sleeping like a baby, but she's not a baby. She's a huge pain in the. I don't want to just like put an addition to my editing, so I'm not gonna say any bad words. Good night, bye. And a lot of you all really liked my mehndi, not like you all, like my family members. And I like these paintings, by the way. I'm just off the topic, means you know that I just speak shit, means I'm sleepy and I'm done. So good night, bro. See you tomorrow. गुड मॉर्निंग यू गाइस. सो मैंने ब्लाइंड्स खोलने की पूरी ट्राई की है और ऊपर आपको कुछ दिख रहा होगा तो द समथिंग विच इज़ गेटिंग अटकोफाइड. नाउ इट्स पूरा वेट सी इससे ज़्यादा कांट ओपन. बट इट्स सच ब्यूटीफुल लाइटिंग यार आउटसाइड. बट चलो वैसे भी वे चेंज करने के लिए नीचे करना ही पड़ेगा. सो रात को I slept in this t-shirt because I was so tired and then I'm just wearing some normal pajama pants. अभी ब्रश कर लिया है. Now let's go down to have breakfast. नेत्रा चाय पी लगी कि मैं मेरा मास्क ले लेती. Guys, don't forget to wear your masks. It's very important for your health and to hide your double chin while you speak in this weird angles. तो इसके बाद oh by the way it is 7:20 right now. So guys, this is my fit. I've done a basic liner up in the and lipstick with some glittered eyeshadow, and this is what I'm wearing. I'll show you. And I'm wearing hoops and I have full sleeves, so I don't want to wear anything. Just wearing the normal earrings which I wore yesterday. I'm still so sleepy. My body is sore right now after dancing yesterday. We danced like so freaking much. So I'll just show you my outfit and ignore my doubles and all like always. Bye. So this is my outfit. Like it's pura like detailed. With this and the pants and that with the heels, and that's the dupatta. So bye guys. लड़के वाले आ गए हैं अभी. We have these cars to swagat them, so we'll swagat them. And I don't know if I can capture that or no. If I get the footage from the photograph wale, I will post it. If I don't, I won't. Bye. Urvi. Hi, Boon. Priya. Hi. That's Kinu Didi. That's Aisha. That's Rian. That's Harshit. And that's Rikin. That one. Mommy. Mommy. Daddy. Daddy. Rojijo, his birthday. Birthday boy. Dashi. D. Shama Masa. Needed Masa. And okay, bye. That's Adi and Babs. So you guys might be wondering why am I in this clothes and why didn't I vlog anything after that. So the people came. After that, my sister Aditi, the bride, called me. Like, there's an emergency, come fast. The makeup artist was terrible at her job. So her hair was like 6 little horse ponytails behind her head, like roaming ऐसे घोड़े की पूँछ नीचे घोड़े की पूँछ थी उसके सिर पे ऊपर, and the puff was literally like a. I don't want to speak too much, so yeah. Now I'm changed because I have to do her haldi ka makeup because she looks like a piece of shit right now. So I just for change I have the dhoti down. What's dhoto? Dhoti down. I'm trying to wearing shorts because I ain't gonna go in this dhoti. Because yeah, like I'm finding my shorts and I can't find it. So you just got it. I just came here to tell you all that. Okay, so bye.
1,
खाली के सुसु थी
2.
सु नाटक
Today was epic.
हॉरिजॉन्टल सो थी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट तारू
Makeup wali literally spoiled my hair, and you are the savior, my love. I love you.
Why didn't you call me?
हेयर
Oh
माटे
God. Hair માટે મેં કીધું આ જ છે બેસ્ટલી. કેમ કે હેર એટલા ગંદા કર્યા હતા, શિટ મેન, આપણે વિચારી પણ ન શકીએ. ઇટ વોઝ લાઈક પૂછડી. દેખાડો કેવા હતા અહીંયાથી. આ છે ને આવી 3-4 પૂછડી હોય ને એવી. આ જો આવી 3-4 પૂછડી હોય ને વળેલી ગંદી, એકદમ ચૂસાયેલી એવી.
जो कि वो फ्लॉलेस लाइन से लेके आवे तन क्रीम ब्लश क्रीम करू छु मोस्टली વધારે
Khushi,
Blush, yeah, I have.
Khushi.
lots of that.
take here. In
नहीं इन ब्लीच
It's blitz.
इन ब्लीच
Ow, yours, ow.
ये ब्लीच
Didi, you can take some cream.
अब बंद कर दे So guys, ignore the mehndi on my forehead and the mess. So you want to say something? Like what happened?
We are ready for the haldi ceremony. Right now Mamira is going on. So the haldi ceremony will start in 1 hour. We have to eat and then get ready again for haldi. And
No, we are
then-
ready for
Yeah,
haldi.
we're almost ready for haldi. And we're going downstairs now to eat. And then after that we'll have to go to the Sangeet.
And then after my nails.
Yeah, just to do it.
And her nails, where your thumb?
I don't know, man. My thumb is here, but my nail is not there.
Like yeah, means we have one more nail. I'll put that.
Yeah.
She's gonna do it in only one hand. I'm gonna do it in both.
How does it look, guys? Let me know.
Beautiful. And so I want to tell what happened to the Aditi.
Yeah. No, wait. That's a long story.
I already told that, but still I was just asking for a say.
No,
So
let's
this
not-
is my
Let's
pic.
not include the sad part right now. We're
Yeah.
just happy right now.
Okay,
Let's
now
be
I'll
happy.
show you Netra's outfit, then she'll show mine. Okay, bye. Yeah. Her. Why are you moving so much? Those are a wonderful eye. Open. Beautiful eye. The bindi, she's done matching like me. Nice. Base makeup, show earrings. Everyone loved it. Jewelry flex ka chal. Double chunai, double adi. And then her outfit. And she's gonna wear heels for nature, right?
Not you.
She's gonna go those.
Yeah, I'm wearing the modri, not that.
Okay, then she's
mochris.
wearing those mochris. And I'm gonna wear heels. Now go do a twirl like wee. પાછળ જા ને અહીંયા શું કરે પાછળ જા.
Okay.
Once again, wait. 2, 1, go. Beautiful. More chance. Go take.
Like it's horizontal only, right? Yeah. Okay. So starting from a beautiful eyes, I'm gonna copy her. And the bindi same as mine. Look at her hair. So earrings. Those are my choice.
These are
Hers
so heavy.
But these are very goddamn pretty. And then moving on towards her outfit. Super pretty. Do it all, bro. Woo! Super pretty. Yay!
So guys, this is Aditi the bride. She looks beautiful and everything is done by us. Hair, makeup and everything. So it's beautiful.
મોડા પર લગાડવાનું હોય.
So guys, I'm ending the vlog part 1 right now. So you will see the vlog part 2 in the Sangeet and Dandiya and the Shadi and the reception part in the second vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Please like, share and subscribe and do comment down below. Bye.